Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. So friends, we have to be a little bit cautious next week. There are so many things which will adversely affect the share market. One thing is China-India border issue is there. Second, our GDP growth is very bad, more than what we expected. And moreover, our indexes are a little bit overvalued, I think so. So there must be a correction in the stock market. So people already invested. As an investor, please don't worry about any correction in the market. But people who still not entered the market can wait for 1 or 2 weeks because I expected a correction in the market. So we can able to enter into a good share with a good valuation at lower prices. So come to my 10th recommendation. My 10th recommendation is from a PSU space, public sector unit company. The name of the company is IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. I think all of us will know about that company. It is a well-known company. It is from the railway sector. So let's just look the valuation of the company. The face value of the company is rupees 10. The year high of the company is 2000 rupees and it comes down to 624 rupees on March during COVID period. But now it is trailing at 1300 rupees. The main business of the company is catering business. 40% of the business is from catering business. Then 30% in internet booking, 20% tours and travels, and we all know that Railneer. From Railneer, they are earning 10% of their profit. We all know about Railneer. Then EPS of the company is 33 rupees. The market capitalization of the company is 21,864 crore and it had a book value of 83. The only negative factor is that the PE ratio is 41 against the industrial PE of 31. It is little bit expensive. So if the shares comes down to 10,000 rupees or below that, it will be a favorable valuation for the company. The reserve of the company is 1,167 crores. And the government is holding 87.4% stake in the company. Moreover, there is a recent news that metros will start functioning from September 2020 onwards. And when the all railway operation was come back to its normal level, as usual, automatically their business will goes up. So it is a very fundamentally strong company. Nothing to worry about that company. So one can enter into the company at the rate below 1000 rupees. As usual, I am saying that before buying this share, entering into this share, you please consult your own financial advisor. I think all of you benefit from my recommendation. If so, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.